How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about getting a backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your preferred web browser and go to roblox.com. This will take you to the official website of Roblox and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. After that, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. And from these various options of account info, security, privacy, payment methods, subscription, parental controls, and app permissions, you're supposed to go to the security option. Click on it. Now locate the option of Authenticated App Very Secure and toggle this option on. Then this will ask you to enter your password in order to continue. Enter the correct form of your password and click on Verify. Now you have to scan the QR code in your Authenticator app and enter the generated code below. This way, you will be able to turn on your two-factor authentication and select the checkbox next to security codes. Then you will receive 6 randomly generated backup codes to use instead of the two-factor authentication. And after you set up your two-factor authentication, you can go ahead and click on the hardware security keys Very Secure, toggle this option on, and you will be able to access it. So if you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.